Welcome to this week. I'm hiding from shame. I've done nothing, or practically nothing anyway. I've done bits, but it's been my birthday week, hasn't it? So you know what I mean. It's been those little stupid bits of jobs that nothing ever gets done, and you don't think it's worth filming, and then you don't film it, and then it's been a week and you've not filmed anything. So, clues in the title. She's a mishmash, SlapDash, whatever I'm gonna call it. First things first, we're gonna talk about the coupler. Then after that, anchor locker and anchor chain. Got it all out and stuff. Again, all the time. At the end of the video, I'll go into what anchor chain and stuff I've ordered and the lengths and stuff like that. Yeah, roll the intro, eh? So this is the new coupler. She's let's say a little more robust than the last one, and as you can see, it's actually made for a 1/4 inch shaft instead of this one. Sorry, 3/4 inch instead of this one, which was 1 inch with a reducer. So let's get her fitted. I learned a lesson. Tie things onto yourself. Don't ask me how I learned it. Observe the glorious sunshine. I hate it. This is going to be a really disjointed episode, but I've put the coupler on. I've managed to knock the shaft in. That was a nightmare. Well, not a nightmare. I just had to split the little thingy-majingers with the chisel in the end to open it up. Knock the prop shaft in. So I now have a functioning prop shaft, hopefully. Screw all that up now. Hopefully not screw it up. Bolt it up and should be good to go. BishBash Bosh. Yep, that's about all the footage I got of that. Next on the list, anchor locker, anchor chain, yada yada. So need to go forwards for that, behind you. I'm not showing you the forecabin properly, really, how it was when I got the boat and what I had to do to empty it. So, roll that VT. So now we've got space to get in. It's a bit mangy in here. I could do with go clean before I go in. This is actually the first time I've been in the cabin. The only downside to doing this is I can't quite get off the boat. Yeah, we'll figure something. Clean enough for me for now. Yeah. Et voila, a bed. So this is the forecabin as it is now. I have actually been sleeping here with a couple of sleeping bags, but it's not particularly comfortable, and I now need it for storage and stuff, so I'm back up the front. And that right up there is the anchor locker. Let's get down there and have a look. I removed the thingies, they're 2 old batteries. So, ow, that was my head. Oh. Boats. So we come into here, pull this down. That's a little thing on there. Where's my finger? There, forestay. I'll check all that, but as you can see, the anchor chain is grim. So let's pull her out. Right, let's get the bad boy out. My God, that's terrible. I think this could be a two-person job. God. Oh, there we go. Oh my God. Don't know if that red mark means it's the bitter end or what. Let's go inside. Nope, I think I need help with this. Day 2 in anchor locker land. I was going to get Mr. Shipwright to help me out. I mean, I'm saying I'm not paying him. He comes over and gives me a lift doing things, which is really handy, and he doesn't always charge me stuff. So he said he'd come and give me a lift, but I think I need to do things on my own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the anchor through by hand in the locker, break all the links and get it all nice and smooth, and then just pull it out.
It's my birthday. This is my birthday treat to myself. When Anna Jean messaged me this morning and said like, oh, what have you got planned for your birthday? I said, I'm cleaning out my ankle locker. I said, oh, you should be doing something fun on your birthday and enjoying yourself. I said, I am. I'm cleaning out the ankle locker on my own boat. Man. Anyway, more of that. Right, so the issue is the links are all... Oh, look, I'm doing gloves like a professional. The links are all corroded and stuck straight. And as you can see there, they're getting bunched up before they go out of the... Is it a hose pipe? I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flake through all the chain in the locker, break all the links open, and then pull it back, sort that link out, and then I should be able to pull it out from outside. There's no light up here, and I would set a light up so I could put the camera fixed and show you what's going on, but the bilge owns my light now, so I'll just show you when I'm done. Okay, I've flaked it out onto this stuff, which is now a mess. So there's only the manky old rope left. Oh, I should have flaked that out just in case. There's a splice somewhere. So yeah, I'll finish that, pull that back through, swizzle that out, and we should be good to go. Now in theory, my theory's rubbish. Right, anchor is out, chain, road, blah. See what we've got. A mangy, horrible mess. Somewhere under there is a drain that drains all the way to the bilge. The forestay plate thing is looking a bit rotten, but clean it up, hopefully it's alright. There's not much I can do about it if it isn't. Get it painted up or something. There's the bitter end that I just cut off. What am I going to do? Well, this whole area, I've got some rubber paint by Gorilla. I think I'm going to tank the full area in rubber paint so it's a completely sealed area. And it'll be easy to clean and stuff like that. Yeah, that's the plan. But I'm going back in the water in a few days, so that's a job for another day.
It's another day. I didn't do it. Not yet anyway. But yeah, rubber paint. I'm going to do that, I think. I might put some in the place that I'm shaking my head at. Cockpit. Around the screws and stuff like that. But that's by the by. Right, that's pretty much it. Next few minutes I'm going to straighten some things up regarding Patreon and stuff like that, so if you're not interested in that, I'll give you a time code that you can skip to when I start talking about the anchor stuff, so that'll be there somewhere. Yeah, so Patreon, the way I've got it set up is so that it's a per creation thing, so I'm only like releasing one charged one per week, but some people were saying that like they don't really want to do a per creation one, they prefer like a monthly one. So I've set it up on Buy Me a Coffee, the link's in the description and stuff, so that one you can do as a month rather than like per creation if you so wish. Somebody, Jeff, my mate Jeff, donated £500 on my GoFundMe, which made me cry. I'll make no bonds about it. I couldn't believe it. So that money has gone towards my new anchor. Unbelievable. Cannot believe it whatsoever. Merchandise. I've done merch, me, with this face on a cup and stuff like that, or hoodies. I just thought like, if somebody buys a cup, I get £3. And if you like donating to like GoFundMe or Patreon or something, there's no physical thing that you can get. So I was thinking like, do cups or something. So remember a few episodes ago, when my friend wanted a shout out and I wouldn't do it. Well, no, I have to, because Ben, who is that person, has designed me a new logo, which is what you can probably see on the channel. Dude, what's it? And so yeah, and him and Lindsay helping me out doing merchandising type stuff. So, you know, I hate to say it, but thank you, Ben and Lindsay. So the link's in the description there if you want to have a look at that. If not, don't worry about it. You don't have to. But like, if 1,000 people bought cups, I would have £3,000 to sort of do this boat up, which would be amazing. So yeah, have a look if you want. Don't if you don't. Right, back to the anchor stuff. Because of that wonderful donation, I was able to buy the proper stuff from Jimmy Green or something like that, and they sort it all out for you and tell you what you want. So basically, I've got 12mm hot-dip-galvanised pure zinc chain. I've got 12 meters, not 12mm, 8mm, and I've got 12 meters of it. That is spliced onto 12mm anchor plat rope, road, warp, one of them ones, and that will be 62 meters long, giving me a total, 68 meters long, giving me a total of 80 meters of scope, which is plenty. In calm weather, I could anchor in 20 meters there, and all the rest of it. So that's what I bought, and it was £440. So Jeff, thank you very much. I wouldn't have been able to get it otherwise. I'd have had to like do something with that manky one. So yeah, that's what I've got. I'm hoping that's enough. It should be enough. I don't know. Jimmy said it were alright. It's Jimmy's fault. Blame Jimmy. Everything's Jimmy's fault. Right. See you next week. Right. I don't record one of them bloody outro things. Oh, these have got a bit of record button. No. What's going on here? Well, is this it? We'll try that one.